How to fix Facebook featured photos not appearing. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix that. The first thing you want to do is open up Play Store or App Store, then tap on the search bar and here you want to search Facebook. If you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Once that is done, now launch open Facebook, then tap on your profile icon. Here tap on the three dots. Now check if you have turned on the professional mode. If you have turned on the professional mode, you will find the option that says turn off professional mode. Go ahead and select that. Then follow the on-screen prompts in order to turn off the professional mode. Once professional mode has been turned off, head back, tap on edit profile, and over here you will find the featured photos option. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.